Hello, Facebook and YouTube fans of DX Engineering. It is Thursday afternoon here in the Eastern Time Zone of the USA. It is time for the Manufacturer Showcase brought to you by DX Engineering. This is a show where we bring on the more than 180 different manufacturers that we represent here at DX Engineering. It's a big deal. And today we have an even bigger deal. This is on the heels of our historic announcement with Ranko 403A of 403A Signature Products from Montenegro. Hello, Ranko.
Hello, Tim. Thank you very much for inviting me. I'm really proud to be here and to present to our ham community some of new toys we are preparing for them.
Yes, we're just super excited about the announcement. And Ranko, when you're looking at the screen, if you see, do you see the 403A signature announces?
Yes, I saw it, and we are also very proud, and I'm sure it will change our business and our, let's say, presence in ham radio community a lot.
Yes, and we are very happy here in North America to be working with you. And Ranko, why don't you talk a little bit about some of the new products that you're working on? You want to talk about the station manager?
Yeah, I would like maybe before I start with the specific devices, I would just like to say something about who we are very briefly.
Yes.
So our story is pretty unique. We are born from the hobby, and we started this journey driven by the positive energy of amateur radio, especially contesting, which is common for you and me. And before fully committing to designing and manufacturing amateur radio equipment, our company SkySat was active in the broadcast industry, producing FM and TV transmitter for more than 20 years, which was very valuable to jump into the ham radio market and to start to produce broadcast quality amplifiers. So that is where we gained this valuable technical experience, and we built a strong relationship with partners and clients around the world. So it happened that somehow it's a mixture of hobby and our previous business activities. So it was not hard to us to continue when we decided to stop our broadcast business and to be focused only on amateur radio. Yes, we can start just few things about what is our goal. So we will talk about the specific devices, but our goal is to create, to design, and to produce amateur radio devices as a concept. So all our devices are conceptually LAN native. So all our devices are communicated over the LAN, which gives us nice flexibility and actually unlimited flexibility and possibility to design station automation, which is nowadays much more simple than 10 years ago, for example. We can now start. I don't know, you as well-known contester, icon of amateur radio contesting, you will probably, I will give you a choice to choose which devices you would like to talk about.
So one of the things that is very impressive is the new amplifiers. The PGXXL amplifiers. Ranko, you want to talk about that?
Yeah, PGXXL is actually it's PGXL platform. PGXL is a full legal limit amplifier running up to 2 kilowatts. On some bands, we have automatic power control set on 2 kilowatts on 63 dBMs, and on 160 and 6 meter, it's 62 due to the design. So it's broadcast quality. It's very unique, and PGX XL is born as an idea. First, we were asked multiple times, actually constantly, if we will launch higher power. And then I decided to design twice PGXL. So this is the amplifier, which is essentially 2 times PGXL, 2 times legal power. And with the button on the front panel, you can choose a mode. So you have 2 modes. It's 2 completely independent amplifiers, or you can combine them into the one big 3.5K minimum on any of bands from 160 to 6 meters. So it gives power when necessary, and also it provides enormous level of flexibility and comfort. Once you can, with pressing a button, you can rearrange layout of, instead of SO2R, then you can have simply two fully independent operators running legal power each.
So how about tuners? We are going to start handling the tuners.
Yeah, Tuner Genius is born. Okay, we don't have enough time to talk stories, but Tuner Genius is also, we are trying to develop smart devices, and most of them, they have almost every of our products has some first ever feature built in. For example, PGXL has 2 patents inside, and Tuner Genius has some couple of first ever built-in feature for tuner. It's a smart tuner. Actually, it operates once you program it. It switch in real time. It's 2 kilowatt capable, and it's really very smart. You can set it on all bands, and then you just once you set the tuner, you just forget it. As desktop tuner, from the engineering point of view, is not the right choice, but most of hams, they don't have any other solution than to have a tuner on the desk close to the radio. We design also outdoor version of tuner, which is TGXL essentially, LAN controlled, and this outdoor model should be installed on the feed point to really take care of impedance and to operate without any insertion losses. So actually the best place for tuner is obviously at the feed point.
And it's just beautiful. I mean, all of these products that you're working on, just absolutely beautiful. And even the Power Genius VHF. You want to talk about that for a minute?
Yeah, VHF it will be the first ever tri-bender. It will operate on 50, 70, and 144 meg, 1 kilowatt. So it is the basic model will be, we call that PGM, a VHF. We will have larger versions later on, and we are in the final stage of pre-production. We will produce 20 units to be shipped to alpha testers, to those who already made a pre-order, and hopefully we will launch the VHF amplifier early next year. It's small, light. You can connect 2 radios on it. You can choose which radio you will operate at the time. Usually it is because usually 50 and 144 exciters are different ones. So we just wanted to provide the full comfort and flexibility to the user, not to switch when they change a band. So this is the reason why we are taking care of 2 exciters.
So it's just the products are very, very high quality, Ranko, just very high quality. And we are certainly excited to be selling these. And every day we will be putting more information about the 403A signature product line on the DX Engineering website. And you are continuing to work on new products.
Yes, we are. At the moment, we have 5 or 6 products in pre-production stage. So I'm named this as pre-production stage. It's a stage where we are preparing the first batch of, usually it's 10 to 20 units to be set on field for testing. So we learned that thanks to the Flex Radio, we learned that the process of testing is highly important, or the most important. Debugging the products is essential for running a good business, or having as less as possible headache during the exploitation of units. So, and hopefully next year, when we launch all of these products, we will be focused mostly on the software side. So now when we have everything LAN control, LAN-based, then we have beauty of LAN, and we will work on application, on integration of third-party radios. Actually, I want to point out that 403A products are not linked only to Flex Radio. Flex Radio integrated PGXL and TGXL into their smart SDR, and it's really very nice. But any of these devices is nicely integrated with any other producers, Icon, Yazoo, Elecraft, Kenwood. And I would like, also you started with a photo of these units, and I'm personally very excited about this product. It's a station manager. So station manager is something which is natively coming and comes at the end of our developing period, and hopefully and luckily it comes. So it's a programmable device console with multiple encoders, lot of buttons, nice looking capacitive touch screen, and it controls literally any device, not only the radio, any device with RS-232 or LAN. So of the first one, we want to launch it in first quarter of 2026. We are working hardly on the software, and in the version 1.0, we will integrate all our devices and the majority of third-party radios from Yazoo, Kenwood, ICOM, and Elecraft. So anyone, is it DX or is it K3LR or whoever, you can program all these buttons in a way you like. So you can control switching, rotors, just clicking, and you have a rotor here. You see, now it's a rotor. So any amplifier, any radio, any tuner, literally anything with RS-232 or LAN. So and it's remotely capable, of course. It has LAN, Wi-Fi, it has a SIM card for GSM. And once you organize your station, is it small, mid-size, or big gun, doesn't matter. When you organize everything, so it works without the PC. You just take it with you, put it in your car. You have multiple profiles, so you can program it into the profiles. So if you want to connect on my station, you just click a profile with 403A, and it will reconnect and connect on stations just with one click on one button. So it's really very exciting, and I think that will be a pet in any radio show.
Well, and I think, we're going to have you on the show a lot, Ranko, and we're going to do a show on just the amplifiers, just the station manager. We haven't even gotten started about the 403A rotators and rotating towers and all those things, which are very exciting. I do want to recognize in the chat room X-Ray Echo 2 Zulu Zulu in Kilo Delta 2 Uniform Delta Radio. Also, world record holder Jeff, November 5 Tango Juliet, who you know very well, Ranko, and a member of the DX Engineering sales team. And he is going to be a big supporter in helping our customers with the 403A products. And Dawn is on with us, November 5 Sierra Kilo Tango. I use my 403A products with my Anon radios, which is really good. Brian, he's Whiskey 7 Juliet Echo Tango. We have several 4 Oscar 3 Alpha products in use at November Alpha 7 Tango Bravo. And Don says the 8x2 is a great product. So we got a lot of fans out there, Ranko. Ranko, we're going to have you on again soon. We're thrilled here at DX Engineering to be working with you. And we're going to let everybody get back to the bands. The bands are open. The bands are hot. 6 meters is going crazy. Ranko, thank you so much for coming on today.
Thank you very much, Tim. And of course, see you in the contest.
All right. We'll see you in the contest. And thanks to all of you for watching. We'll see you next time here at DX Engineering. Until then, 73.